Good evening, students. Now I am going to discuss about the decomposition potential, right? So what is meant by decomposition potential? Decomposition potential. Decomposition potential. So this is also important question. They will ask for 4 marks. So this is a theory oriented question. So in this theory we will discuss some points. The first point is, so the minimum definition we will see. The minimum voltage required to carry out an electrolysis of an electrolytic cell without hindrance is called the decomposition potential. First point, the minimum voltage required to carry out, minimum voltage required to carry out. So first point is, the minimum voltage required to carry out electrolysis of an electrolytic cell without hindrance is called the decomposition potential. And second point is, so sometimes the products of electrolysis exerts back EMF which opposes the applied EMF of the electric cell. This is due to polarization. Sometimes the products of electrolysis exerts the back EMF which is opposes the applied EMF. This is applied EMF of the cell, that is due to polarization. So the following experimental setup is to find out the decomposition potential. So now I am going to draw the diagram for this. So diagram is, this is electrolyte, these two are the electrodes, these are electrodes, this is the electrolyte. So both these are connected with voltmeter. So again these are connected with, this is connected with the ammeter. So again this is connected with the external battery. This is the potentiostat. Resistance R. This is the battery. This is the ammeter. This is the voltmeter. So we can say that first point is, the minimum voltage required to carry out an electrolysis of electrolytic cell without hindrance is called the decomposition potential. Sometimes the products of electrolysis which exerts back EMF which opposes the applied EMF of the cell, so that is due to polarization. Next, the following experimental setup is to find out the decomposition potential. So in this you need to write the theory. In this, the two electrodes are connected with the voltmeter, and also they are connected with the resistance of external battery circuit. So you need to write that point. So in this, ammeter is used to find out the current flow in this cell. So next point you should write voltmeter. So every current, so we need to measure the voltmeter to find out the voltage. So again one more definition is, if you draw the graph for voltage and current, this is called decomposition potential. So that means what you can say here, at particular voltage the current is suddenly increases. This is called decomposition potential. So one more point you should write in the decomposition potential is, at particular voltage the current is suddenly increases. This over voltage is called the decomposition potential. This is about decomposition potential. So next we are going to discuss about the significance of decomposition potential. Next heading is significance of decomposition potential, right? Significance of decomposition potential means only 2 to 3 points are there. So significances are there. So for example, like zinc, cadmium, mercury, etc. So these zinc, cadmium, mercury having the negative reduction potentials, having negative reduction potentials than hydrogen, which they are explained by the concept of over voltage. Next point is the liberation of hydrogen to deuterium. The liberation of hydrogen to deuterium during electrolysis of water is also carried out by the process of decomposition potential, by the process of over voltage concept. Next, third significance is industrial production of chlorine and NaOH gas from the NaCl that can be explained using over voltage concept. So, and the fourth point is, so the reduction of organic compounds like nitrobenzene, etc. The reduction of organic compounds, nitrobenzene, etc. These are having low over voltage. So first you should write zinc, cadmium, mercury having negative reduction potentials than hydrogen, which they are explained on the basis of the over voltage concept. Next, the liberation of hydrogen to deuterium during electrolysis of water, that can also be explained on the basis of over voltage concept. Next, industrial production of the chlorine and NaOH from the NaCl, so that also can be explained on the basis of the over voltage concept. So the reduction of organic compounds, that can also be explained on the basis of over voltage. These all are significance of the decomposition potential, right? In next class we will discuss about the electrode polarization and concentration over potential, that we will discuss in the next class. So this is theory oriented. You need to draw the diagram and write 2 to 3 points for that, and you need to write the significance, then you will get the full marks. Thank you.